Good morning, everyone. This is Jaysharan Sagonam, Bachelor of Software Engineering, here to present my ideas about Chat with Liki. Chat with Liki is a chatbot application which can be accessed 24/7. This chatbot is prepared for helping people with mental health disorders. Before explaining the features of chatbot, I want to give an insight about why I choose this project. Mental health disorder is a significant disturbance happening in an individual's cognition, emotional, and behavioral skills. It's a very big problem in today's scenario. The major effects of mental health disorders are suicidal thoughts, memory problems, migraines, malnutrition, lack of concentration, unable to perform day-to-day activities, and many more. Personally, I was having anxiety disorder for 4 years, so I know the difficulties a mental health person faces when in doing his day-to-day activities. In all those times, all I was needing is support and a companion who can help me. So for the very reason, I'm proposing Chat with Liki, which is your personal companion, accessible 24/7. The chatbot conversations are initiated by IoT sensors. The IoT sensors used in these applications are heart rate sensor and accelerometer sensor. Based on the sensor readings, we categorize the mental health disturbance experienced by a person into low, medium, high, and severe. The chatbot listens to users' problem and provides them two kinds of solution. One is a practical solution and another is a motivational solution. Practical solution is based on the real life pre-existing solution, and motivational solution is based on mental health therapy. Also, there is an option for additional support the chat the which user can access when he needed. And chatbot makes a follow-up conversation with the user to identify whether he solved the problem, and also takes the data about how he solved the problem, and this data it uses for its routine training. Also, we prepare a monthly report for the psychiatrists who treat the patients about all the problems experienced by the patient in that particular month and how he solved it. So this data helps the psychiatrist to treat patient much more efficiently. The chatbot flow design is very simple. For medium level sensor readings, the chat is optional. That is, the user can accept the chat or decline the chat. If he accepts the chat will continue, else the chat will stop. For high level sensor readings, the chat is compulsory, and also the a notification is sent to the psychiatrist regarding the sensor readings. Once the chat starts, the chat converses with the user like a human and gets the problem input. And using the query identification algorithm, it finds what exactly the problem is. Based on the problem, it provides two kind of solutions, which is taken from the database. And next step is offering additional support. Again, additional support is an optional feature which user can accept or decline. Let's discuss some important limitations and strengths of Chat with Liki. Chat with Liki provides two kind of solutions, motivational solution and practical solution. Study says that once a person figures out the solution for his problem, automatically his stress and mental disturbance automatically decreases. So the chat with Liki follows an efficient approach to solve users' issues. The problem categorization model developed for Chat with Liki is much efficient because most of the problems faced by a human will be included in the three categories. The monthly feature helps the psychiatrist to analyze the patient much efficiently. Scalability is the biggest issue in Chat with Liki. In order for Chat with Liki to be efficient to solve the user's queries, it should have a huge database of problems, real life problems and solutions. Also, the chatbot Chat with Licky should maintain a database of user profile and psychiatrist profile. Along with this, there is the additional duty of Chat with Licky to perform routine training. So, an effective database solution to be figured out to scale Chat with Licky. The future of the research will be towards smart fabrics integration. Basically, the wearable devices which are proposed in this research for IoT sensors monitoring will be replaced by smart fabrics, and large database problem solution set which we discussed in the limitations will be implemented in the future. And unless we know the feedback of audience, we will not be able to improve our product. So we are planning to do several experiments and test to evaluate the performance of the chatbot and then publish it into the market and make a successful business model out of it. Thank you everyone.